everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on the Queen from the 17th to the 21st of May 2021 on Monday. Harriet's kind gesture is thrown back in her face. Hector plans a romantic getaway for his new wife on Tuesday. Goodness gets a cabin favor. Anna's residence at Corner House piques Sianda's curiosity on Wednesday. Kagiso continues to struggle to cut the apron strings. Schumacher and Jege worry when Sianda won't stop asking the kind of questions that could get them killed on Thursday. Sianda pursues some leads after Maybilo confirms some of her suspicions about Thato and Hector's last encounter. Goodness promises to take matters into her own hand if Kagiso doesn't man up and tell Harriet the truth on Friday. Schumacher and Sianda poke a sleeping bear. Harriet discovers Goodness and Kagiso's secrets. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. If you want the full episode, please let me know on the comment section. I will definitely send you the link. Bye.